Hello everybody, today we're going to try this new mask called Blueberry Sheet Mask. It cleans pores in here and detox whole face. Made with the vitamin D, blueberry and antioxidant. You can see this. Okay, what you do first, you open this. Just open it. It's inside, as you see, it looks like a blueberry. So you open it. On the mask set, before we open this, I have to open it so that way I show you. Can you take your glasses off? It has some juice in there. They said you can put it like this on the face. So when I put the mask on the face, it can come evenly. Okay. You go gentle on the face, put this off. One, then you go around it. You can do it to your face, but I do it so that way you guys can see it. So you put it on the face, it's gonna stay 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you peel it off, which is I come and show it to you guys. Then you wash it with the warm water. So it's gonna make your face smooth, sexy face. So we will be back after 10 minutes to show you. Okay, now you see it's 10 minutes, it's over, so we're gonna move this and to wash the face to see how the skin is. You see how it's bubbly? That's the thing good about it. So you can, from the left again, move this. Still the top is like that. You can rub it like this. And put your head up. You can rub it on the neck too. Okay, your face is going to be like this when you move this. So we're going to go wash it and then come back show you how the skin look like. Now how you see, we remove the mask, we wash the face with the warm water. So as you see, whole face is clean, neat, shiny. After you wash it, do not towel dry it, let it air dry. So what you do after that, any kind of serum you have, you just put 1, 2, 3 drops. Rub it to your hand, go over the face. You go under your eyes, not too close to your eyes. You're gonna put some on your chin, this part, you're gonna press it down to the neck, this part, this way. You put the mirror and you do that, and some on your nose. Okay, this is stays for 20 minutes, then you're gonna be perfect. If you like the mask and this product, please comment. And if you use it before, comment for us so we know if you like it or no, or how it works on your face. Thank you for watching us and thank you for supporting us. Please share, comment, like, subscribe like usual. See you later. Bye-bye.